For me, I've been trying to learn this laser for I think for the last 6 to 8 months. I've been writing to different people. I even the Oreol Academy, they had a date on I think last month, but it didn't take place. And then in Bangalore or something, and then they had one. They had only the laser varicose vein on the 12th. When I contacted them and I said, I'm coming all the way from Bangladesh, can you do something about doing the two together? Then within, I think, one day they put up the thing and and I traveled from 6 on Thursday, and yesterday at 10, I reached here at night. So, all this. But after coming here and doing this today, and I've learned a lot. I mean, every bit of my hard work was worth it, and the academy as well as sir made it. It's unbelievable. I cannot express much more. Thank you very much.